Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome back to 英語英会話一日一言. Are you ready for some listen practice? Okay, now let's get down to business. I'm going to say an English phrase and I want you to write it down on a piece of paper or your notebook. Ready? I'll say it twice. I shouldn't have bought it. I shouldn't have bought it. Write it down and let's talk about what it means. Okay, the phrase I said was, I shouldn't have bought it. I shouldn't have bought it. Okay, the pronunciation is something like, I shouldn't have bought it. I shouldn't have bought it. But we'll talk about that later. Okay, so this phrase is used to express regret about a purchase. When you say, I shouldn't have bought it, you are indicating that in hindsight, buying the item was a mistake. Perhaps because it was unnecessary, too expensive, not so good, bad quality. Okay, all right. Now let's do the pronunciation. Please repeat after me. I shouldn't have bought it. I shouldn't have bought it. Okay, so of course you can say, I shouldn't have bought it. But a lot of times if we're talking with our friends, we might just say, I shouldn't have bought it. It would sound like that. I shouldn't have bought it. I shouldn't have bought it. Okay? Okay, but let's not get too casual here. So we'll do the I shouldn't have bought it version. I shouldn't have bought it. Okay, I shouldn't have bought it. Okay, let's do that again. I shouldn't have bought it. I shouldn't have bought it. Okay, now let's talk about usage. So for example, if you buy a jacket that ends up being too expensive, you might say to a friend, I shouldn't have bought it, it was not worth it. Or if you buy a gadget that doesn't work as expected, you could say, I shouldn't have bought it, it doesn't even work. Okay, so it's probably better to get a refund or return the product. But anyway, you can say, you should say, I shouldn't have bought it, plus what you shouldn't have bought and why you shouldn't have bought it. Okay, so please share that in the comment section. What have you bought recently or a while ago that you regret buying? Well, there are a lot of books. Well, not a lot. There are a few books that I shouldn't have bought. I could have just have read them at a bookstore and just. In Japanese, tachiyomi. Yeah, I should have just done tachiyomi. But anyway, I'm not going to show you the book. It's disrespectful, so I won't. Okay, anyway, thank you very much for joining again today. I hope to hear from you. Please comment in the comment section. And I will like your comments if they're interesting or funny. Okay? All right, so I guess I will see you again. Bye.